today talk about Meribelle Cosmetics with their Meribelle 5-in-1 BB cushion. I'm going to demonstrate dekat korang macam mana this BB cushion works. It's 5-in-1 function. Moisturizer, SPF protector, it's got SPF 50 by the way, foundation, concealer and also powder. So it's sort of like an all-in-one compact, very cute pink spongy cushion. And this is as I dab. I smell very calming. This is my face, all fully covered, but then not so fake like. I'm gonna take tiramisu lip matte, bit on my eyelid, coral kiss, new blending. Just gonna dab a little bit of blush onto my cheeks. Use my fingers, just tap it off this foundation sponge. Just a little bit of blush. It smells really good. So yeah, this is the look that you get using Meribelle Cosmetics 5-in-1 BB cushion cover. Amazing nude lip mattes. I really like the color, I have to say. Thank you, Meribelle Cosmetics. Bye!